Welcome back to another video. So I'm playing this game. You know, SFMs. So for the noob, I'm just going to teach how to go to Mars, Venus, the Moon, and how to get an encounter to Jupiter and Jupiter orbit. So let's get started. Create the new world. So right now you can actually see my world 5. I made almost 6 worlds. This is the 6th world. And my world, I played it almost 4 days straight. All of the playtime. 85.3 hours. But I didn't play it in an instant. So let's get started. Do you see these? So I'm actually going to drag the things like this. So you need to make it like this, or it will not work. With this, you can't even do a re-entry. Without this, you can't even control. Without this, you cannot slow down and crash. So they are very important. Then a staging block, so we can actually stage to it. Then let's put a small. By the way, we're first doing the land on Mars mission. Yeah, two Colbry engines. This, not the top one, not the middle one, the last. It says tiny engine used for landers because this is a lander. By the way, yes, it is a lander, a big lander. Oh, accidentally I put this part, but it'll going to be useful, very, very, very. It's kind of tall, so let's put some 2 RCS. This will be very good because it will be I can align and the side velocity. No. Since it's going to orbit a bit, let's put some. Just going to say a fun fact, but did you know that actually in Spaceflight Simulator there used to be electricity, but I didn't start on the game then. There was a thing called battery, and the electric wasters are drum roll please. Roll wheels, like the rover wheel, and the other one is electric ion engine, but it was patched since, and the more electricity makes the solar panels, but it got patched because I don't know, maybe it was so much lag or too many parts. And there's like a thing. Did you know that in challenge mode, ion engines are not there? I don't know, but they're not there. I said, wait, what? Okay, so let's start. But okay. It's been almost 5 minutes. Let's do this. You need the 2 biggest. 4 biggest fuselage and put this. Since you are in space, nothing happens. You can actually wee out. Or if you want less fuel, you can actually do this. I'm going to use this. By the way, if you saw it, I'm actually going to a little bit put few on the tip, yes. And there's another tip. If you click 2 times on the same fuselage fast enough, it will actually get you the whole rocket. Oh no, I forgot. I forgot we had a fairing. Because this is very not aerodynamic. It's going like this, okay, aerodynamic, but the solar panels make it not aerodynamic. So let's put a fairing, a 6 wide fairing, because it's very good to use a 6 wide fairing. And building it. Okay. Oh, oh god, it looks so cool. It looks so cool. Staging again. Even 4 more. Up. Look, I actually don't even have cheats. Pally. Oh, this is the orbit burn. This is the transfer window. And this is the lander to Mars. Inside this fairing. Okay? Okay. Now let's put 6 wide. If you don't know, there's actually a little Easter egg. Look, this is the Titan engine. It is so powerful it can push 400 tons, which means it can push our rocket. Yay! Boom, fairing open. Yeah, it doesn't care. We're not even half fuel. Oh my god. No, no, no. Oh, actually, I forgot this. We. Boom. Oh my god, I forgot. So this is a challenge named Liftoff. You can, if you lift and land safely with not breaking this gray thing, which is called a capsule, you're good. You get this achievement. So let's get it again. Actually, let's put a little bit more fuel. Oh no, it's so big. It's big. It's big. Kevin, did you turn off the Wi-Fi? No. Ho ho ho. No. Huh? And what the Sigma is the worst phrase. Oh my god, I spent 10 minutes building this thing. So did you forget when I was building the lander, this piece came. So we are using this. Yes. Wait a minute. How much? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. Symmetry is the best thing in this. Look, symmetry is this. a little bit not good, but it's still good. So let's then put 6 wide. Yes, I'm using 6 wide. Just kidding. So this structural part is very good. Beep, beep. Oh my god. And they'll build there, I can get a building. I'll do the same and the worst meme possible. Okay. Now more. Okay, this is very good. Very good. Putting it like this. This. And they'll building, building. Okay, it's enough building. Just kidding, it's not enough building. So what are we going to put in there? Ion engines, of course, for life ion engines, because actually ion engines are very useful. Look at this rocket, isn't it cool? Boom, boom. It's launching with more fuel. Okay, the side boosters are less fuel. Oh god, we are doing it. Oh god, no way we did it in second try. But I actually didn't design it like that in the first one. Boom, boom. And it's over. Yeah. The side boosters go away. Now we're in space almost. Okay, we're in space. Boost, boost. If you don't know, this dot needs to be always in front of you. If it don't, you can't even be faster. So we're doing an orbital burn. Ah, no. Okay, like this, slightly tilted. Boom. By the way, did you know that all of this is actually normal difficulty? Yes, this is normal difficulty. It's actually a little hard for newbies. Not gonna lie, it's very hard for newbies. But I'm not a newbie, so I actually can do it. Okay, we have still good fuel. First the Mars, transfer window, boom. Then another, oh my god, we're so close to the transfer window. Put on solar panels. By the way, if electricity wasn't even gone, it would actually be useful. Like solar panels are today useless. Very useless. So nobody dares to touch them, just for decoration. I'll do the same. Okay, we did it. We now have an encounter. By the way, this encounter needs to be going through it. So like this. It's coming. You can see Deimos and Phobos. Phobos, Deimos. I am actually going to land on them, but in another video. Since I'm not a pro, I'm just a noob. Because I landed on the surface of Jupiter. My cheats, no heat damage. By the way, this is actually true. I landed on Jupiter. I didn't land, but still I have landed. Okay, we're doing it. By the way, sorry, this is actually an astronaut snoring. I don't know why. So actually, I'm trying to do this. Landing on Mars. Oh my god! I thought this was the transfer. That was the transfer, so... Oh my god. This is the slowing. I let it down, I let it down. I let it down and down. I let it down and down. I like up down. Wait, so cool. No way I'm going to land this in second try. But I remember the second try, I only did 1,000 meters. But this time, I literally killed this software. It killed the game. Actually, normally, I used to do this in first try. Yes, first try. I was landing on Mars in first try. But first, let's make a small orbit. A very tall orbit. Tall. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You're gonna dog. I'ma be buying blueberry. No way, no way. I'm actually a king. I did it. Hi, Mars. Hello, hi, Mars orbit. Huh? What the heck? What happened? I think some wrong. I think the astronaut actually accidentally watched a TV in space. No! So don't do that. Okay, remembering my steps. Yep. That was right. Okay. Boop. That's good. So break this. This is the lander. Isn't it cool? Let's descend to low Mars orbit. What the? I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Let's do that again. Okay, very elliptical orbit. Let's be at the last area. Last area. Can you stop snoring, pilot? Boom! Do it. You're going down. Let's descend it to low. Okay, so good. Yes, finally, this astronaut stopped snoring. And boom, boom. No, you. I just had a protein bar out of trash can. I thought a crippled bland bro really had lacked hands. Not these Formula One edits. I hate them. Okay, so let's be like here. Okay, 700. We need to actually very slow down. Very small, small. Hmm. 20 minutes. Oh my god. Here is the red planet. The king of red planets. Who is it? Mars. Who is it? Mars. I need to be very slow. Do they have... Let me see, but do they have oil on Mars? I don't know. I want to know. Oh god, it's only one parachute. But actually, there was not even a person. There was a robot in it. Actually, it was made to gonna know, but it was actually made to colonize. He need to be stranded. I just ate a protein bar out of trash can. So it's crashing. No. The good lander crashed. And it's landing. Finally. The beauty is landing. Oh, finally it's actually slowing down a bit. I did it. Oh my god, finally. Oh, actually we need 3 parachutes. So, daddy, bum, bum, pretty sure. But this time we're actually going to the moon. We're going to the moon. No! Actually, I'm trying to reach high orbit, by the way. What happened? Beep. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. It's enough to make a grown man cry. Okay, let's wait for a minute. Let's wait for a minute. Let's wait for a minute. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Low, low. For me, it's actually a bit high. Okay. Like I planned. Let's see the moon transfer. Very close. We turn. Let's do it. It's very easy. Small break. Small break ended. Okay, so we're actually going very close. Sorry, but the astronaut is very sleepy. It's always snoring and snoring and snoring. The astronauts are very snory, so that's why. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. No! Where's my Sputnik? Oh, no, it's not Sputnik. It's Stop snoring! No, the map is gone. But still, we can actually see. There it is! Our good old mate. So let's just time warp. When it's actually fast, very. Oh my god, it's so. Hello there. Oh, hello there. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, but the astronaut keeps snoring and keeps snoring. I will actually. He doesn't even know he's going to land on the moon. Boop, 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 boop. Boom! Engine on. If you heard on, it's actually 10 in Turkish. Oh no! Get out! Sorry, but it can't even wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Oh my god, it's right on it. No, we're going to pass it. Oh no. Finally, it's landing on somewhere nice. But actually, it's going to land. Oh, let's slow down a bit. Time to slow down, time to slow down, time to slow down, time to slow down. Who broke the fabric of reality? Boom. Baba! What? Baba! What? Baba! Water's filling up. My battery is getting low. It'll soon be my time to go. The screen is cracked and I can't, but I just hope you are listening to my little rhyme that I made for you. Oh my god, it's landing. Okay, let's say the famous line in 3. Not right now, but not right now. Small step for man. Guys, if it's going to YouTube, say it in 3. I'm going to say it. Say it. Okay? Bye. Butter boy, shim bottom boy. I swing. Since there's no astronauts, 1, 2, 3. Say it. It's a small step for man, a giant leap for mankind. Let's go back. So actually, 12 is actually enough. Sorry, but we can't do it. Let's land it again. Beep. Bum. Lost cosmonaut theory. Land it, land it, land it. Right? Oh. Oh my god. Oh. No. No way! High Earth orbit? And I didn't even use? Oh god. We're stranded. Just kidding. So actually, sorry, but we have to do it. Thank god it's actually normal. 7,000 meters away, there was a blue planet named Earth. And next, its moon, the moon. And an airplane and rocket was going to the Earth. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to do a quick save. Oh no! Oh no. So let's do it later, guys. It's enough. So bye!